Thank you, CBR, for giving me an opportunity to have more Super Saiyan in the future. More than we're going to do more at the expanding on my last video do with the Gemini run the Super Sons. As you all well know, I go shoot my video all the time, and I go back to that and make a Super Return to Flash. Thank God for it. Took the one I actually do organize it to actually big. For my Super Saiyan fans. But hey, here's a bonus. I can talk about more of the movie again. So here's from me. So, yeah, fun. Again, what the mean right now, you'll find out, Hey, get me a tape on the Jedi IT return to DD with the Super Sons. Yep. We're telling this engineer, but now you want to know, I love Super Sons. It's my favorite team ever. Duh. I love this team. My opinion ever game me my listening band and we're going to shoot 10 boy, I'm doing way, loving it better than the big kids. That was an anime before I like to tell this topic. Super Sons having well treatment, well, I guess it. Oh, wait. We are going to Freddy. You know, I hate for going on here doing insane and not happy going on Super doing that. That was an anime for my last video with the Super Return to Flash. Perfect one for anybody and like I tell, it's interesting. And you can see I had the actual question that I've been wanting for a long time. Which Superman is it? Is it the rich Superman telling your boy to carry on love or just time level story? And the thing was always going to be time level, but I think it's been this acting movie is bigger than meets the eye. Meaning that if I'm right and I'm hoping it's true, maybe. Just maybe, we may find this back and make it permanently. Here's why what happened. So, yeah, it'll be fun. Again, what does that mean by that? Well, you'll find out in them. So, enjoy my ancient news. Yep, so, enjoy it. See ya. Alright, as you can tell my intro, you can tell my intro about this news. Why? You'll find out. What's this started? According to an article I have in CBS.com, cool. First of all, to return DD with the Super Sons. Yep. First of all, Jimmy and hit the Super Nintendo on the way for the series. Yay! Yep, and I didn't already know by now, they did it on Twitter, and they have it because I love the team. It happened all the time. This team, the fans, never just a crap. I'm very happy the Super Nintendo came back, and I made a video about this, but I may have it, but then CBS, that's him come up. If you can tell, it looks a lot more than meets the eye. And I'm very happy because I love this team. This team, a big damn episode of crap. I will only maintain this team with me, and that episode of garbage. Go Super Sons, spread the word. Yep. And continue. Yep. 21 after Andrew Usin, the president of San Con, the Nuts Week is one of the first picks that always said Kuna, I don't know what it is. Someone way with my Akuna and out in April 23. Wait, I didn't come in in March. Like, didn't Jimmy come in on March 26th? That's confusing, because they're coming in March, not actually in April. Like, that's, what? God damn it. Okay, this ain't good, too convenient. But you want to tell, I think it's coming in April, we're making it in March, so take that a massive grain of salt. Continue. Sent out to be Super Speed Adventure that occurred with Kid Flash, Wallace West, Babysit John Irie, where the Sheriff Flash war with his kids, it's now due a tweet. Start Instagram at the way, I share all my Super John and Robin, and you can choose your video, make it appear, and I can fight you. Yeah, we know it's the way. Betting it, John, voice don't know what happened in the Wallace West and not Wallace West, and Jesse and John, the team out to find the kids. It's going to be a fun BBC adventure, and I can't wait to be this and fun, and I can't wait. Continue. Shooting Star did an movie. What a great movie, by the way. This movie's great, but that was the best movie ever. This movie pathetic. Spread the word. But the movie's great. Fan of this team. I'm happy to know it's on trend, baby. Yay! Yep. I made a training video thinking I made having it in movie guy with this team, and it seemed kind of bad, baby. Took so long to bring animated team back. What took so long? Why no, I had bullshit on my email put. Continue. Shooting Star in DD anime movie. Yep. Adam had experience with the Super Sons already. While writer Peter Tomasi and artist Jorge Mendes are the creative mind behind DC's first Super Sons series from 2017. We have a great book, by the way. It's fucking fantastic. My best book ever. I love seeing and more because Tomasi, Jorge Mendes, and Patrick Gleason knew what they were doing to understand security. Unlike better move the short jump for Garland, Grouch with Damon Wayne, like Tomasi, and Jorge Mendes, and Patrick Gleason, understand and Daniel, understand John, Daniel created John. And I didn't like Bennett the Nut and John Wayne and grab the short Damon Wayne and say that. I'm gonna 5G in that bullshit. 5G's such an awful idea. Fuck 5G. Continue. Well, later Peter Tomasi and artist Jorge Mendes are the creative mind of DD first Super Sons comics in 2017. I'm scared the first anime film Bouncy about Super Sons. Great movie. Best movie ever in 2022. Best movie period. Body spread the word. Yep. Movie follows Superman, Clark Kent, Son John, and Superman Batman, that Bruce Wayne, Damon Wayne, stop Star to Conquer from taking over the Earth. Yep. And I love that movie. Yep, he knew. What remains to be seen, however, is which version of the Super Sons will appear in the Flash. So the decision for the issue is Super Speed Mr. Veteran babysitting at Kid Flash while John and Irie, the Flash children, when Steve-O goes away, Ace has to bring back the twins, Max seeing a few new friends for time and space. The indicator about time and space will open a number of possibilities regarding who these Super Sons are. Such as them being John Damon's younger self from the comic universe, or the very version seen added about the Super Sons. Wait, what? Wait. Stop. Let me get this straight. So you guys think that these kids, what John Superman and not actually the Superman for the comic, but that is from the movie? Well, I love the movie, but I don't think that's the case. No, that wouldn't make any sense, because frankly, how never even a movie we just get more different. That's not time and space. That's multiverse stuff. And that just hurt my brain to do that. Like, look, I love the movie meeting, but I would watch the John Superman and I don't want to have the comic version Johnny than having them be for the movie. Look, I love the movie, but I like the movie left alone. We got continuity later, that continuity is great, so we left alone until we get a sequel. Then we can expand after the version of John Superman and Wayne. For now, we're gonna party, baby. Let's just even back in the main universe. That's all I want. And frankly, that's the thing. It's how I'll be happy. Now, if it's about a Superman movie, that could be interesting. But there was more questions that would mean that not the Superman from the comic from the movie. And it made a complete mess. I don't know what to talk about with that, but honestly, if that's the case, then this is going to cause kind of confusion. Maybe that is me. Look, I want the book to succeed. I don't want to add more confusion, but if that's the case, this is kind of open on can worms. That's CPR theory. My theory on Superman after the real Superman after back from the dead, whatever. And these are the real Superman I don't love. He said, I want to have it. We'll see. Continue. I don't know when to explain when to travel across both times. Multiverse journey on the fly of the network. For the first arc, once worldwide quantum journey to buy different species, once landing in a hero or super friend universe. And trying to make a flash ship in the car is also running out, being the flight issue 100 mark the final issue of the line. Don't remind me, but I'm so pissed I know what that girl, what the fuck, like, why? What the fuck? Like, it's not fair. No. I hate when it's done. Like, what the fuck? There's a lot in the and this thing to get, then the DC that boy, they fold them out the window for bullshit. It's not fair. You know what, but I want to do no tournament. However, if this doesn't succeed, maybe you'll probably change their mind and we may get back in Flash. What's time to happen? Who knows? Along with adding the Flash and MP, the main villain coming. Yes, yep. This issue going on sale April 18th for DC Comics in 2023. Yep, that's that one. So yeah, okay, this call is having in April. It's coming out in April. I think then March. I fucked up. I was wrong with that. It's coming out April 18th, which on the one hand makes sense. On one hand, why April? Why not March? Like March makes more sense than April. I don't mean that to me. I'd rather it's coming out in March. But you know what? Fine. I can wait. Actually, you know what? No, I can't. Like, I want to do an acting now. I want the team to do return as a baby. You know what? Fine. I can wait a bit longer. I'm ready to bite the buds. I'll go wait a little longer. And hey, here's a point. Didn't succeed. Mega Mushroom, like, damn it, a good team back, and we all for it. So, this thing coming out in April. Even though I thought it coming out in March. We'll see about that. Hopefully, this didn't succeed, and that'll be getting more Superman, and that'll me happy, damn it. I want you back with me. Yep. Yeah, that's all I'm so. So the minute long show, Superman returning back, can't find me, and it'll made happy. We just hit the landing. We'll see. Yep. Yeah, that's all I'm so. I know. My bottle. As y'all know by now, I'm Jeremy Forever. My favorite DC book coming out this year. It's a great book by them. I love the scene. I love the execution. I love Jeremy Forever. My favorite guy from DC and I made by the run. Yeah, Josh, now it's Super Giants. So, Super Giants, my favorite team. I love that team. The game of the way. My favorite team. And I actually love this team. This team is fantastic. So I heard the news out there being 2 years ago. I heard Superman returning after Flash. I've been happy about it. Two reasons. One, it's not hitting my channel. You know I love Superman. My favorite team. I love this team. I don't think it's sort of garbage. Second of all, you know what I know. I see John and Tina. Not John at all. He's been part of it. It's not John. It could be an idiot. And whole chicken with bullshit on me. That is a factor. That can piss me off. My main factor is I don't want to tell him what I know about that girl. in there, Teen Young is not John at all. I won't mean this kid, not John. John, I don't constantly always good kid, great as a kid. This is not John. This is John. John, not that's John. No, I think I'm looking at going to get it. The car is 20. You made a point. So I was not interested in a boy. This John is John, and probably being an idiot. But you might find that shit. So yeah, why here I to be returning? I'm very excited to help. However, that being said, that was new for me. That's the current thing. I'm starting to question what's going on as you see because wait a minute straight. So you're like feeling that the Superman we have coming out in this story, it's not Superman from the actual comics, it's actually from the movie. Which, and you want to just remind me, would make sense. And I would turn out watching maybe more questions because that would make sense. Because how the hell does this connect actually to this? Answer: it doesn't. I don't think the theory makes any sense, and that feels confusing. But I'm going with my theory, knowing they went from the past, obviously, and hoping it is permanent and distant in the plans. With me. Now, obviously, we don't know when the book coming out. We have Jonathan. Okay, we do know it's coming out in April, which that's confusing because I think it's coming out this March. Because from what I read, Gemini is going out March 26th. So I'm lost. Is this thing coming out in April or coming out March? I don't know. It's like I just didn't complain from anybody. I'm very sorry that they're already confused because it's coming in March. It's confusing. Oh, not March, April. Because they say coming in April, but for what I heard, it's coming in March. So I'm lost. Where are we going with this thing? Is it coming in April and March? I don't know. I'm so excited to read the thing. I'm excited to read the thing about the Flash book. And I'm very excited to read the thing because I'm buying my dream team of John. Damon Wayne and Robin, John is Superman, Wayne and Robin, team up with Iron Giant. I'm the same. That's a good news you haven't been used, damn it. I said one thing in there. How is Superman team with Giant Iron when the bet that the idea has to be out a decade? This idea could have been great. We had Superman team with Iron Giant, and I'm saying for you, it's a great idea. And I'm saying this thing years ago. But oh shit, it took this long to fight happen. Johnny did it crazy, but you might find shit. I'm trying to guess you can find it Iron Giant. I may have it Resident Evil anymore because I find my wish, baby. Now, when your book succeeds, not fail, and this book succeeds, may find over 30 by do one thing in the shooting back, damn it. It's not what happened. Now, obviously, we don't know when it's coming out. No, we're talking shit, but I can tell this is coming in April. But why I can tell it's coming in March. So, did you confuse about this? It's coming in April, coming in March. We don't know. So, my best getting by their information, dates is coming in April, and if that is true, then this could cause a problem because a lot of stuff are coming in April, and I just don't feel like they're coming in April. Maybe that's just me. Look, you know I want Bush to succeed. I want Bush to succeed more because I want Bush to sell, make it find out what the fuck is divine to do I think, damn it. Yeah, apparently it's coming April 18 million okay, final card date, it will come on 26, so okay, I screwed up. Oops. So yeah, I looked it up just now, and apparently it's coming out in April. Oops. So yeah, thanks a lot. Actually, you implemented so confusing. I don't know. You know my point. So yeah, April 18th, when this thing comes out, we have it in new. But I was trying to come March 20th, March 20th, far better day than April. But then I need to just be nonsense. It was in I got my date because I was going to come in April after all. Oops. But that's just me. Point in general, actually, we need Bush to succeed. If this Bush succeeds, this means our last chance to get shooting back at the end of the heartbeat. So for our God, by April 18th, it's the biggest thing we need to do is we're going to buy books, spread the word, buy books, support, and make sure back this is something I don't do. That's all I want is point. Look, we don't know what kind of fight something else. First thing it'll be a big deal for Superman fans, so let's spread the word. I'm doing my part, I'm going to buy the book no matter what. That's me. Bye everyone, we go. I think that's good. I didn't know what to say, I just have this thing coming out in April, I may have it coming to read thing. But on 10 weekends. I don't. Include. So we find Flash right to return DC or the Super Sons. I'm not gonna call it down, I'm gonna call it Flash right to return DC or the Super Sons in a heartbeat or something else. Put it on more takeaway engineers. Do you like it? Do you hate it? I'm also feel on Twitter. You have Scott Mattel, TikTok, please get the bell, kind of some story. You guys can out, how can I only Super Jen. Yeah. She went. Well, guys, what would let's get the book sign number one, baby. She went. Me.